If the weather becomes favorable on the East Coast, the noted singer Callie Day will be in the Duke City performing with the One New Mexico Concert Choir. We are fortunate to have Dr. DeJuan Stevie Springer, Tony Morgan, and Whit Bolden joining us this morning from the choir and talking about this concert coming up. So first of all, tell us about the One Choir and how it is tying into the events that are happening throughout February.
You know, this is a wonderful event for the community. It's filled with about over 70 voices. This One Voice community choir is definitely embraces all cultures. So we have a number of various different cultures coming out to entertain and be a part of this, where we're going to be sharing with them different aspects of what how music is brought together within the gospel community. And that's what's really fun, is bringing out these voices, learning the difference between head voice and chest voice, and being able to really, really back up Callie Day as we sing some of our own collective songs in the community as well.
Now tell us a little bit about Callie Day. For those that may be unfamiliar, I don't know who wants to take the lead on that question, but who is Callie Day?
Absolutely. Callie Day is, she's out of Georgia by way of Illinois, and she has a wonderful, wonderful background, extensive background musically. She's operatically trained, she's a professor, and then she has a wonderful, phenomenal gospel voice. And so I think that when people can come out, they'll listen to the overtones, some of her highs, her lows, and how she really, really ties all of that in together. I mean, she blew up Facebook. I mean, she's all over social media. Definitely.
Now, is it difficult? As you said, you're bringing people together, and there's actually an invitation out if someone wants to join in on this choir performance, they can. But is it difficult to bring together? You said 70? Yeah. Did I? That's amazing.
Well, no, I think here in New Mexico, it's a huge melting pot anyway. When you talk about gospel music and you talk about different cultures, and musically everybody, that's one place that everybody will come together and be unified, especially when it's gospel music, because it's such a rich genre of music until, you know, we can teach so many people the gospel feel, and to be able to join together and do that together. So it's wonderful when you talk about music.
Yeah, and I got to tell you, it really it does fill your soul. It resonates through you when you see it live. Now, we are going to get you as close to a live performance as we can. It's through our lenses right now, but I want you guys to give us a little sampling. I'm going to step out and give us just a little sample of what we're going to hear at this concert.
I'd like to also add, if I may,
absolutely,
that we are featuring Miss Tony Morgan and DeWitt Bolden. We'll be singing their own pieces, and I think that everyone should come out just to hear. We have Native Americans who are going to be performing on Sunday. It's just going to be a plethora of wonderful music. So it's definitely come out.
That's right. So take a listen to this. We're going to get some details on the back end of this performance. Take it away.
I know the Lord. I know the Lord will make a way. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, He will.
Wow. So if people want to get in on this, they want to perform with you, we've got details on rehearsal to join in on it, and then the details of the performance. So let's start with joining in for the rehearsal. When is that happening? How do we sign up?
Yeah, so you can come out on Saturday from 5 to 8 at the, it's going to be at the Highland Theater, and there's still time to come out. It doesn't matter if you feel like you need to really know these pieces, because I do a wonderful job in sharing with you how to take on the piece and really, really become a part of the piece. So just come out and share with us, definitely. That is the rehearsal. And then, of course, the performance is on Sunday, 3:30 to 5:30.
That is fantastic. And where can we go online to get more information on this?
NM New Mexico Black History, NM New Mexico, NM Black History Organizing Committee.com.
There you go. And, of course, we will have links to that at foxnewmexico.com a little bit later on. Guys, thanks for joining us. Can you sing just a little bit more? We're going to go to break here, but I would love for you guys to sing us out to break. Does that work for you? I know it works for you at home. We'll be right back. Take it away.
Oh, yes, He will.
Yes, He will. Yes, He